Had a fella drive 40 miles through an ice storm last winter just to ask me one question. Sam, which manual do I need for my 40/20? He'd been staring at listings for a week, couldn't tell the difference between a service manual and a parts book. I see this all the time. So let me save you the trip. There are 4 types of manuals for your John Deere 40/20, and each one does a completely different job. Grab the wrong one and you're flipping through 300 pages of stuff you don't need while your tractor sits there leaking. First thing, the service manual. This is your Bible. If you're rebuilding the engine, adjusting the clutch, tearing into the hydraulics, this is the one. It's got your step-by-step procedures, exploded diagrams, torque specs, like those head bolts at 165 foot-pounds in the right sequence, valve lash, crankshaft end play, hydraulic pressure at 2200 psi, everything the dealer mechanics used when your tractor was new. Next up, the parts manual. This one's all part numbers organized by assembly and serial number range. The 40/20 was built from 64 to 72, and Deere made changes along the way. You need the right part number for your serial number, not just any 40/20 part. Third, the operator's manual. Don't skip this one. Fluid capacities, maintenance schedules, shift patterns for the synchro range and power shift transmissions, implement hookup procedures, keeps you from putting the wrong oil in there. Now here's something most folks don't know. There are also I&T Shop Manuals. They cover multiple models in one book, and they're great for quick reference on the basics. But for a full engine rebuild or hydraulic overhaul, you want the factory service manual. The I&T just doesn't have the depth. If I had to pick 2, I'd go service manual plus parts manual. That combination covers 90% of what you'll ever need on a 40/20. If you want to grab the right manual for your John Deere 40/20, I've got the full collection over at the manual store. Links right below in the description. Hit that thumbs up if this cleared things up, and I'll see you in the next one.